मैसेज आपके सामने देंगे कि पढ़ोगे लिखोगे हो, बनोगे नवाब, खेलोगे कूदेंगे होगे खराब। तो जोरदार तालियां नर्सरी क्लास के बच्चों के लिए।
बदमाशियों से जरा पास आओ, थोड़ा किताबों से भी दिल लगाओ। अरे बदमाशियों से जरा पास आओ, थोड़ा किताबों से भी दिल लगाओ। क्या कसम हम पढ़ेंगे दबा के, मगर तुम भी देखो किताबों से आगे बढ़ो, जरा आगे बढ़ो, लिखा नहीं जो वो पढ़ो, डरोगे तो ठेंगा मिलेगा। जो उड़ता फिरेगा, मंडे को टीचर का डंडा पड़ेगा। ऐसी हवा में जो उड़ता फिरेगा, मंडे को टीचर का डंडा पड़ेगा। क्रिकेट का मैं करूंगा बहाना, कैंसल है मंडे को स्कूल जाना। जिद मेंटेन करो, चढ़ो माउंटेन चढ़ो, डरोगे तो ठेंगा मिलेगा।
मैंने एक सुई खरीद ली, कितना नहीं खरीदा सोना, मैंने एक सुई खरीद ली। सपनों को बुन सकूं जितनी उतनी डोरी खरीद ली। सबने ज़रूरतों से ज़्यादा बदले नोट, मैंने तो अपनी ख्वाहिशें बदल दी, मैंने तो अपनी ख्वाहिशें बदल दी। शौक़ है ज़िंदगी कुछ कम कर लिए, शौक़ है ज़िंदगी कुछ कम कर लिए, फिर बगैर पैसों से ही सुकून है ज़िंदगी खरीद ली। कतारें थक कर भी खामोश है नज़ारे बोल रहे हैं, कतारें थक कर भी खामोश है नज़ारे बोल रहे हैं, नदी बहकर भी चुप है किनारे बोल रहे हैं। ये कैसा ज़लज़ला आया है दुनिया में इन दिनों, झोंपड़ी मेरी खड़ी है और महल उनके ढोल रहे हैं। परिंदों को तो रोज़ कहीं से गिरे हुए ताने चुकाने हैं, पर वे क्यों परेशान हैं जिनके घरों में भरे हुए खाने हैं। तो जोरदार तालियां हो जाए बच्चों के लिए। KG प्योर क्लास के बच्चे आपके सामने प्रस्तुति दे रहे हैं।
Good afternoon to one and all present here. We the students of KG class welcome all of you from the depth of our hearts. Our message for you अमीर इतने बनो कि जितनी भी कीमती चीज चाहो तो उसे खरीद सको। कीमती इतने बनो कि इस दुनिया का कोई भी अमीर से अमीर आपको खरीद ना सके। Thank you.
केजी क्लास के बच्चे आपके सामने प्रस्तुति देंगे करप्शन थी। सेकंड क्लास के बच्चे इस गाने में अपनी प्रस्तुति देंगे। उनके अभिभावकों से मेरा निवेदन है कि बैक स्टेज बच्चों को पहुंचा दें। करप्शन थी, सेकंड क्लास के बच्चे हैं।
सुनो गणपति बप्पा मोरया, परेशान करे मुझे छोरियां। डिफिकल्ट समस्या का कुछ समाधान दो, चिंता का विषय है बप्पा थोड़ा सा तो ज्ञान दो। कोई मीठी मीठी बातें मेरे कानों में बोले, नौकर मेरे दिल का दरवाजा खोले। गुड़िया बिगाड़ने में लगी है मुझको, मैं भी बिगड़ने लगा हौले हौले। कुछ समझ नहीं आता मुझको, मैं हंस रिया या रो रिया। कुछ करो, कुछ करो। तेरे सिवा कोई नहीं मेरा इस जहान में, तेरे चरणों में रह के हुआ रे जवान में। दिल नहीं मेरा ये तो तेरा ही घर है, तू जो साथ है तो किस बात का डर है। थोड़ा इनोसेंट थोड़ा शरारती जैसा भी हूँ, तुझको मेरी खबर है। कभी मैंने रखे हैं तेरे भजन, कभी तूने सुनाई लोरियां। कुछ करो, कुछ करो।
मुझको को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के, अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के, कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के, आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के। मुझको को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के, अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के, कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के, आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के। All the Rajini fans, don't miss that chance. All the Rajini fans, don't miss that chance. चलो
It is easy to be thankful for good things. A life of rich fulfillment comes to those who are also thankful
बंद
for
करना
the
कैमरा ना,
setbacks.
जब कैमरा बंद करना।
Find a way to be
कुछ भी
thankful
लिख के आना
from
बंद
your trouble and they can become your blessings. अगर जिंदगी में कुछ पाना है तो तरीके बदलो। अगर नियत अच्छी हो तो नसीब कभी पूरा नहीं होता। Thank you. छोटी सी रंगीली मंजिलों की राहों पे ख्वाबों को लेके चलना है इस तरह। होठों में तराने हैं, हौसले दिखाने हैं। मिलना मिलेगा जो पल अब है मिला। छुना है अब हमें आसमां, आसमां, आसमां। छुना है हमें आसमां, आसमां, आसमां। छुना है अब हमें आसमां, आसमां, आसमां। छुना है हमें हौसलों की शम्मा जलने लगी। राहों की शाहों को निगलने लगी। बातों को जहाँ से निकाल दिया, जो भी हमें पाया दिया। दिलों की सारी सलाखों को है काट दिया, तारा आसमां से चलने चला। सुना है अब हमें आसमां, आसमां, आसमां। सुना है हमें आसमां, आसमां, आसमां। सुना है अब हमें आसमां, आसमां, आसमां। सुना है हमें
थोड़ा क्लोज में क्यों इसकी लाइट जा रही है?
Good afternoon, everyone. The Bollywood dance style is a beautiful blend of all Indian dance. People love Bollywood dance because there are no defined rules. Thank you. Some people love Bollywood because it exposes them to Indian culture outfit. Whatever the reason, Bollywood dancing is a small glimpse into Indian culture that everyone should experience. Thank you. दोस्तों, आज की भागदौड़ तथा नीरस जिंदगी को इंद्रधनुषी रंगों से सजाने के लिए हम सबको मनोरंजन की आवश्यकता होती है। और जब भी एंटरटेनमेंट की बातें होती है तो सबसे पहले जो चीज़ हमारे जहन में आती है वो है फिल्में। बॉलीवुड ने बरसों से हम सब के दिल पर राज किया है। गीत, संगीत तथा नृत्य ने हमें अपनी ओर आकर्षित किया है। थैंक यू। तो इसी बॉलीवुड को समर्पित है हमारी अगली प्रस्तुता। थैंक यू।
जिनकी अगली प्रस्तुति होनी है बैक स्टेज आ जाए, सेकंड पायर सेकंड होली के बच्चे जितने भी हैं बैक स्टेज आ जाए। प्रस्तुत है हमारे अगली कड़ी फर्स्ट क्लास के छोटे से बच्चे नन्हे मुन्ने कलाकार आपके सामने एक सुंदर सी प्रेजेंटेशन देने वाले हैं।
ऐसे बेटे के तो होने से ना होना बेहतर है। हम दोनों एक साथ एक घर में नहीं रह सकते तो नहीं रह सकते। पढ़ाई छोड़ दी, काम छोड़ दिया, अब घर को नहीं छोड़ता।
डैडी मुझसे बोला तू गलती है मेरी, तुझ पे जिंदगानी गिरती है मेरी। साबुन की शक्ल में बेटा तू तो दिखला के जान जान जान। क्या हुआ देखा तो कटोरा, झागा तो हुआ मिट्टी जैसा चूहा, तो पकड़ा तो निकला काला नाग नाग नाग। Dios 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 mamá Dios Dios mamá Dios 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 mamá Dios Dios ay 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 mamá Dios Dios mamá Dios Dios
And corruption, it is now a profession. It is spreading like an infection. Need instant care and medication. It works like a termite eating everything day and night. It is a malicious cancer, deep-rooted, posing a danger. We only talk and acquire that also with no true desire. We hardly raise our voice if we have no choice. अब होगा भारत भ्रष्टाचार मुक्त, समय आ गया है अब हो जाए एकजुट। अब तो ऐसे भारत का निर्माण होगा जिसमें भ्रष्टाचार का नामो निशान नहीं होगा। व्यवस्था परिवर्तन लाना है, हर भ्रष्टाचारी को जेल के अंदर पहुंचाना है। Let's pledge to fight to erode this termite. So please welcome our next item based on the theme of corruption. Thank you.
Engineers like to solve problems, and if there are no problems handily available, they will create their own problems. At the same time, James Gibb Finch quoted, "The engineer has been and is a maker of history." Sir, it's an honor to host engineers as inaugurator of our today's function. It adds to your joy and pride when they belong to your family. Ladies and gentlemen, we all have different families. We have our own family, the one where we are born in. Then we have a family where we go to school, where we go to college. That is your second family. And later on, the workplace where you work, that is your third family. It is my proud privilege to have two of my family mates as our today's chief guest. We have shared our stay at Sainik School Sujanpur Tera. So my hearty welcome to both the handsome people who are sitting in front of me. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great privilege to welcome and honor Engineer Umesh Sharma, who is working as Executive Engineer PWD Rodu, as our today's chief guest, and Engineer Ashok Kumar Gupta, who is working as an Assistant Engineer HPSCB Rodu, as our guest of honor. I welcome members of school management, invited guests, dignitaries, delegates from media, and my most sincere gratitude to that elite group of students, teachers, parents, and well-wishers for whom Glory International School is their first priority. My warm greetings and namaste to each and everyone present in this glorious gathering. Thank you all for sparing your valuable time and being part of Glorious 2018, the 13th annual and prize distribution function of Glory International Public School, Rodu. No person was ever honored for what he received. Honor has been the reward for what he gave. So special thanks to our chief guest and guest of honor for giving us their precious time. It is always an honor and matter of pride for me to present the annual report of school in front of you all dignitaries, which is a document that clearly shows the continuous growth of achievements in the field of academics, sports, cultural and literary activities that school has achieved in the current session 2018 and 19. This session has been a very rewarding year for us and will be marked as a landmark year in the history of our school. We achieved many things for which we were striving for a very long time. Academic achievements, I would like to start with that academic achievements is the index of any school's status and stature. Achieving academic excellence is at the heart of our endeavor as educators. And to check this index, board class exams are the main things that shows that how school is performing. In the last year's result in 10th class board exams, 44 of our students appeared for the board, and out of 44 students, 34 of them got merit certificates, which is given to the top 200 students of HP State. Adarsh Olta made us proud by standing first in school and scoring 7th rank in the HP top 10 list. He got 97.71% marks. Anush Sharma stood second by scoring 96.1% marks. Third position was jointly shared by Nikita Bhardwaj and Riddhi Chauhan by scoring 95.85% marks. World outside is competitive. This we all know. So we expose our students to various competitive literary activities like Space Olympiads, Science Congress and quiz, etc. In Space Olympiad, Paras Datta of 10th class got rank 1 in HP State and got an opportunity to visit London, United Kingdom on educational tour. This year again, 48 students have qualified for state level exams in Space Olympiad. In level 1, Piyush Jiran of 8th class stood first, Ritesh Sharma of 5th class got 2nd rank and Charvi Sapta of 9th class got rank 3. In Science Congress quiz, block level competition was conducted on 28th and 29th August. Our school participated in both junior and senior category. A team of Piyush Jiran and Anahita Sapta got first position in junior category, whereas a team of Paras Datta and Charvi Sapta got first position in senior category. This was held on block level. After that, block Rodu was represented by our students at district level and it was conducted at Portmore, Shimla from 25th September to 27th September. History was repeated and we got first position in both junior and senior category, beating all the schools of district Shimla with almost double margin. State level Science Congress was conducted from 9th to 12th October and in state quiz competition, our senior team got 2nd position in HP State. In Maths Congress, Yashasvi Thakur of 8th class got 2nd position in junior category, whereas Muskan Sharma of 10th class attained 3rd position. In Science Olympiad written test held at Portmore, where all bright students of district Shimla had gathered, the laurel to school was brought by Charvi Sapta by standing first and Paras Datta by standing second in senior category and Piyush Jiran stood second in junior category. It's not only in academics that our students have shown their mettle. Since last year annual report that I read in last October 2017, 13 of our students have represented HP State in nationals so far. Under 12 and under 14 states are yet to be held, so hope some more names to be added to this list. National players of our school are Paras Sharma, Divyansh Rashta and Shivansh in volleyball, Kompal Zinda, Vanshika Sharma, Sumaksh Dhalta, Aniket Riyan, Abhay Sharma and Suryansh in badminton, Aniket in Kho-Kho and Sudhir Desi, Aryan Brakta, Palak Dirta and Saurav Joshda in karate. In karate, 4 of our students have got medals in nationals. Saurav Joshda, Aryan Brakta and Palak Dirta got gold medal, whereas Sudhir Desi got silver medal in nationals. In state championship, Yudhvir Dekta and Ankit Dantyan got bronze medal in karate. Other state winners are as follows. In badminton, we have Puneet from 5th Harmony, we have Daksh Chauhan from 7th Eminent, we have Drishti Ranta from 7th Elevated, we have Vanshika Sharma from 9th Candid, we have Kompal, Abhay and Smaksh from 10th class. They all got medals in state level competition and they will be going for nationals. Other state players are Darshin 5th Harmony and Simran 6th Admiration in Kho-Kho. Samriddhi Chauhan from 7th Elevated in Kabaddi, Aditya Redka 7th Prominent in chess and Kajal Tekta 7th Eminent in athletics. Himachal Pradesh Badminton Association in lieu with Badminton Association of India organized its first ever open ranking tournament and I feel proud to announce that Kompal Zinta got rank 1 in HP State in under 17 and she also got rank 1 in under 19 category. In under 17 boys category, Smaksh Dhalta got rank 2 in HP State. On 3rd June, District Shimla Athletics Championship was held at Indira Gandhi Stadium. In senior category, Parth Hanta was first in shot put, Vineet Chauhan was third in long jump, and Abhishek Rajda was third in 100-meter race and third in 200-meter race. In junior category, Drishti Ranta was first in long jump, second in 100-meter race and second in 200-meter race. Kajal Tekta was first in 600-meter race, second in long jump and second in 400-meter race. In sports, new feather was added when our girls got overall champions trophy in athletics and overall champions trophy in outdoor games in Rodu block in under 14 category. History was again repeated by under 14 boys by being overall champions for third time in a row. Our cluster was overall champion in under 12 category as well. So school comes under 3 categories, that is under 12, under 14 and under 19. So we were overall champions in all the categories. These figures speak volumes about our PTIs who have put their strenuous efforts into it. As far as these competitions are concerned, in girls category, in under 14 tournaments that was held at Veerbhadra Government Senior Secondary School, Adhal. In athletics, our achievements are the Kajal Tekta, she was first in 400-meter race, she was first in 600-meter race, she was first in long jump and she was third in high jump. She was also given best athlete of Rodu zone. After that, Aditi Klantu, she was first in 200-meter race, she was second in 100-meter race and she was second in long jump as well, and she was given the best player of Kho-Kho Rodu block. Simran Chauhan was second in 600-meter, she was second in 400-meter race. Nancy Nekta was first in discus throw, Drishti Ranta was first in 100-meter race, second in high jump. Neva Thakur was third in discus throw, Aditi Kulantu, Drishti Ranta, Simran Chauhan and Kajal Tekta, they got the first position in 400-meter relay race. Vriti Bhardwaj was first in chess and Mrigam Kapda was second in chess. Overall, we got the overall girls athletic trophy. We were first in Kho-Kho, we were first in Kabaddi, we were second in badminton, and hence we got the overall outdoor champions trophy in that category. And Samriddhi Chauhan, she got the best player in Kabaddi in Rodu zone. I have a very long list. You may find it boring, but it requires a lot of hard work, it requires a lot of practice, it requires a lot of efforts to be put in, and it is my duty to name them all because they are achievers of our school and they need to be recognized from the platform like this. So I have a very long list, so have patience with that. In boys under 14 tournaments, again we got the overall champions outdoor trophy and it was third time in a row. And our achievement in athletics was Abhay Brakta was first in discus throw, Lucky Sista was first in long jump, he was second in 100-meter race, Riyan Redka was first in chess, Daksh Ritwan was second in shot put, Abhay Chauhan was second in high jump, Aditya Ritka was second in chess, Abhishek Lalta was first in 400-meter race, third in 200-meter race, Ojas Luta was third in 600-meter race, Ashwar, Abhishek, Harsh and Lucky, they were second in relay race. We got runners-up trophy in Kabaddi and Kho-Kho, and we got the first position in badminton boys. The best player in badminton was given to Daksh Chauhan. After that, we had under 12 tournament, and we were first in badminton and we were second in Kho-Kho. Darshil was second in long jump and third in high jump. In girls category, we were first in Kho-Kho and second in badminton. Akriti was second in long jump, Kriti was second in high jump and third in long jump. 6 students were selected for district, and after that Driti Dekta, she is selected for state as well. In under 19 tournament, we got boys and girls first place in badminton. Boys participants were Swachh Dahata and Abhay Sharma, and in girls we had Kopal and Vanchika. In cultural activities in 2018, we got first position in folk dance in girls, we got first position in one act play, we got second position in group song, we got second position in solo song, and we stood second in declamation as well. This is in girls category. And in boys category, we stood first in group song, we stood first in declamation, and we were second in solo song and one act play. Again, in under 14 district tournament, which was held at Dutt from 30th of August to 2nd of September, in boys category, we represented Rodu block in two categories, that was group song and declamation, and our boys, they got first position in both the category. They will be going for the state in 2-3 days. Under 14 girls district tournament was held at Sahan from 12th to 15th of August, and we represented block Rodu in two things, that was folk dance and one act play, and we got first position in both the things. These girls will also be going for the state to be held at Dharamshala from 24th of this October. In under 19 girls zonal tournament, which was held at Rodu, our folk dance team stood first, and unfortunately we could not go for the district, so obviously the journey ends there. Ladies and gentlemen, we at Glory International School leave no stone unturned for all-round development of our students. As one paragraph doesn't tell the story of a book, similarly, one test doesn't tell the tale of a school. What makes an institution great is quality in all fields, and when nothing less than the best is acceptable, then you can think of being best. We need to expose our kids to all kinds of activities other than structural, curricular and extracurricular activities. It is always a talk that school takes a lot of money for these extra activities. But I want to assure you all that by spending 1,000 rupees, by spending 1,100 rupees, you are giving an experience of $1 million to your children. Believe me, when they will grow old, the stage that they are sharing today, that will be more beneficial for them rather than the structural studies that is going on in the classrooms. I have seen parents stopping children from activities of their interest merely because they are not able to perform to the expectation of the parents in academics. We have books full of examples where extraordinary inventions, discoveries and deeds have been performed by people who were declared misfits in the school curriculum. So dear parents, please have faith in your children, give them your quality time and help them accomplish their own dreams. This long report full of achievement is due to the hard work of students, faith of parents and extraordinary strenuous efforts of strength pillar of Glory International School, that is my worthy staff members. I owe my heartfelt gratitude to you all for making Glory International a brand not only in town, state, but nationwide. Thank you all, my dear staff members. My vote of thanks is due to our chief guest, guest of honor, other dignitaries and distinguished guests for sparing their valuable time to grace our function with their benign presence. A big thank you to you all who are present here. I would like to conclude my today's speech by quoting Dr. Kalam. Dr. Kalam said that all birds find shelter during the rain, but eagle avoids rain by flying above the clouds. Problems are common, but attitude makes all the difference. With a hope to come back next year again with more promising achievements to reveal, I wish you all a very happy festival season and a very happy Diwali and a happy New Year in anticipation to all of you. Thank you. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.
very fortunate I am to born on this great land. Really glad I am to be a part of this legendary scene. Dear audience, our next item is dedicated to our motherland, our great India. Thank you.
हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल पर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल पर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। अपनी छतरी तुमको दे दे कभी जबर से पानी, कभी नए पैकेट में बेचे तुमको चीज पुरानी। फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल पर जानी, उल्टी सीधी जैसी भी है अपनी यही कहानी। थोड़ी हम में होशियारी है, थोड़ी है नादानी, थोड़ी हम में सच्चाई है, थोड़ी बेईमानी। सपने हैं आंसू और सपने दोनों ही अपने हैं। आंखों में कुछ आंसू है कुछ सपने हैं, आंसू और सपने दोनों ही अपने हैं। दिल दुखा है लेकिन टूटा तो नहीं है, उम्मीद का दामन छूटा तो नहीं है। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल पर जानी, थोड़ी मजबूरी है लेकिन थोड़ी है मनमानी। थोड़ी तू मैं है और थोड़ी खींचातानी, हम में काफी बातें हैं जो लगती है दीवानी। फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी।
माँ बाप को कभी भूलना नहीं, काम अनगिनत है उनके, इस बात को कभी भूलना नहीं। पत्थर पूजे कई तुम्हारे जन्म के खातिर, पत्थर पूजे गई तुम्हारे जन्म के खातिर, पत्थर बनवा भाव का दिल कभी बिछड़ना नहीं। मुक्का दीवाला दे जिन्होंने तुम्हें बड़ा किया, मृत विलायत को जय उनके लिए कभी उगलना नहीं। सेवा में नसब राख है, मत में कभी भूलना नहीं। संतान से सेवा चाहो, संतान पद सेवा करो, जैसी करनी वैसी बननी, न्याय यहाँ कभी भूलना नहीं। जिसने बिछाए थे फूल हर दम तुम्हारी राहों में, उस राहबर की राह के कंटक कभी बनना नहीं। धन तो मिल जाएगा मगर माँ बाप क्या फिर मिल पाएंगे, पल पल पावन उन चरणों की जहाँ कभी भूलना नहीं। Thank you mom, thank you dad, 3 small words, so much to add for all your love and your support. A million words would be too short, the words I love you seem too few to express the love I have for you mom, dad, we love you.
न जाने हम कितने बड़े हो गए।
पल रात है। पिता से ही माँ की मिट्टी और सुहाग है। पिता जीवन है, संबल है, शक्ति है। पिता सृष्टि के निर्माण की अभिव्यक्ति है। पिता उंगली पकड़े बच्चे का सहारा है। पिता कभी कुछ खाता कभी कुछ खाना है। पिता पालन है, पोषण है, परिवार का अनुशासन है। पिता धौं से चलने वाला प्रेम का प्रशासन है। हाँ बस इतना सा है कि इतना काबिल बनूं, तूने जो सपने देखे हैं उन्हें हासिल करूं। जब झुक जाती है कमर हमारी, खुशियों की दीवार खड़ी करते करते, और आंखें भी बूढ़ी हो जाती हैं अपनी हैसियत से ज्यादा करते करते। बस बुढ़ापे में उनकी आशाओं को अनाथ ना करना। अब हमारी बारी है उन्हें कभी निराश ना करना। A father is someone who want to catch you fall, but instead you picks you up and let you try again. A father is someone who holds you when you cry, scolds you when you break, who stands with pride when you succeed and has faith in you even when you fail. पिता को समर्पित पेश है हमारी अगली प्रस्तुति। थैंक यू।
मेरा साहस, मेरी इज्जत, मेरा सम्मान है पिता।
मेरी ताकत, मेरी हिम्मत, मेरी पहचान है पिता।
घर की एक एक ईंट में शामिल उनका खून पसीना,
सारे घर की रौनक उनसे, सारे घर की शान पिता।
सारे रिश्ते उनके दम से, सारे नाते उनसे हैं।
सारे घर के दिल की धड़कन, सारे घर की जान पिता।
शायद रब ने देकर भेजा फल ये अच्छे कर्मों का।
उसकी रहमत, उसकी नेमत, उसका है वरदान पिता।
पिता बनने से पहले एक युवक दुनिया से कितना बेपरवाह अपने ख्वाबों की दुनिया में खोया होता है।
जो भी चाहो हो मैं पाऊं, जिंदगी में जीते जाऊं। चांद तारे तोड़ लाऊं, सारी दुनिया पर मैं छाऊं। बस इतना सा ख्वाब है, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है। चांद तारे तोड़ लाऊं, सारी दुनिया पर मैं छाऊं। बस इतना सा ख्वाब है, इतना सा ख्वाब है।
पिता बनने पर यही युवक कितना जिम्मेदार हो जाता है।
खुश तो हमें होना चाहिए था कि वो हमें मिले, पर जन्म लेने की खुशी कोई और मनाया जा रहा था। बोलिए पापा।
हाँ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले, जहाँ हम भी न हो, आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार भले। हाँ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले, जहाँ हम भी न हो, आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार भले। एक ऐसे गगन के तले।
सपने तो हमारे थे, पर उन्हें पूरा करने का रास्ता कोई और दिखाया जा रहा था। बोलिए पापा।
पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम
उंगली पकड़कर चलना सिखाया हमको, अपनी नींद देके चैन से सुलाया हमको, अपने आंसू छिपा के हंसाया हमको। ऐ खुदा कभी दुख ना देना उनको, क्योंकि जीने का सलीका सिखाया हमको।